Here are some things you can do to get your garden ready for spring. Why not plant up a wonderful fragrant pot of hyacinths and crocuses to put by your door or on your balcony. You can also start your own compost heap by gathering up trimmings and debris from the garden. You can also cheer up your doorway or your windowsill with a cheery container of winter bedding. This is also the perfect opportunity to plant some bare root or containerised trees. So all of these tips and hints, this is a really great positive way to get out, get active, get gardening.